Hello friends, welcome back to my Java coding sessions. So today we will be going to write a Java program to reverse words in sentence. So do watch this video till the end to understand the clear logic, and with the help of this logic you will be able to solve many such Java problems. So I will put the comments in the code so that will help you to make understand the things very easily. Okay. So our problem statement is reverse the order of words in a sentence. Fine. So its example input is Java is fun, and its output should be fun is Java. So very first step we will going to take is string sentence Java is fun. Fine. Now in our step 2 we will be split sentence into words. We will split sentence into words. So basically the split, okay, I'm just making it very clear, just writing everything here, putting everything in a comment. The split function basically breaks strings into an array. Okay, a string into an array using space as separator. Fine. For example, if I say Java is fun. Fine. So it will be splitting it in like this way. So Java is fun. Fine. So we'll write in this way: string of array words equals sentence dot split. Fine. Now in our step 3 we will use string builder to construct the reverse sentence. So we'll give here string builder reversed equals new string builder. Now we do one thing, we will loop backward through words array. So we will start from the last word and go till the first word. So we'll give for int I equals words dot length minus 1. I is greater than equal to 0 and I minus minus. and we will give reverse dot append words I. Fine. So we'll add current word here. Okay. Now we will give one condition here. If I is greater than 0, so reverse dot append. So we will add space between words, that is not after last word. Fine. Now in our next step, that is our step 5, we will just print the result. So we'll give original and then give here sentence, and we can give here reversed, and then we'll give here reverse dot to string. Fine. So let's run this. If you see here, splitting words is basically big O-N and reversing loop is also big O-N. So overall big O-N where n is equal to the length of string. Fine. So what we did here, we first split the sentence into words using split function. Now we have words in an array. We traverse from the end of the start and build a new sentence, and finally we printed the reversed result. Fine. So let's run this and see. Perfect. So this was expected output. So original string was Java is fun and reverse string is fun is Java. So I hope you understood this logic and you really like this session. So if you really like this session, do like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thank you everyone.